BRICS Summit 2023 in South Africa. The BRICS Summit, a significant annual gathering of 5 major emerging economies, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, is set to take place in South Africa. This international platform, representing nearly half of the world's population and a substantial share of global economic output, offers a unique opportunity for these nations to collaborate, strategize, and address common challenges. As Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi participates in the event, it's essential to comprehend the importance and objectives of the summit. Fostering multilateral cooperation. The BRICS Summit emphasizes the value of multilateralism and South-South cooperation. While these nations have diverse political systems, economies, and cultures, they come together with the shared goal of promoting stability, economic growth, and development. By leveraging their collective strength, the BRICS countries can exert influence on global issues such as trade, climate change, and sustainable development. Economic collaboration and growth. One of the key driving forces behind the BRICS Summit is economic collaboration. These 5 nations are seen as emerging economic powerhouses, and their combined efforts have the potential to reshape the global economic landscape. They aim to bolster intra-BRICS trade, foster investment opportunities, and facilitate technological exchange. By working together, they can mitigate the impacts of global economic uncertainties and contribute to more equitable development. Political and geopolitical significance. The BRICS Summit also holds political and geopolitical importance. The member countries often share similar perspectives on global affairs, advocating for a more inclusive and balanced international order. Their collective voice enables them to address issues like regional conflicts, terrorism, and cybersecurity, which require joint efforts for effective solutions. Addressing development challenges. Many BRICS countries face common development challenges despite their economic growth. These challenges include poverty, inequality, healthcare access, and education. By collaborating on strategies, policies, and initiatives, the BRICS nations can pool resources and expertise to tackle these issues collectively, thereby improving the lives of their citizens and setting an example for other developing nations. Focus on innovation and technology. Innovation and technology have become pivotal drivers of global progress. The BRICS countries recognize this and aim to enhance cooperation in areas such as digitalization, artificial intelligence, and sustainable technologies. By sharing experiences, research, and resources, they can accelerate their technological advancements and contribute to the 4th Industrial Revolution. Conclusion. The BRICS Summit in South Africa holds immense promise in shaping the trajectory of global affairs. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi participates, it signifies India's commitment to fostering cooperation among these dynamic economies. Through joint efforts, the BRICS nations can amplify their influence, drive economic growth, and collectively address some of the world's most pressing challenges. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Explanium today and discover a whole new world of knowledge and understanding.